ONEN Lighting manufacturing. We have beautiful two ladies. Do you want to go to introduce your company?
Yeah, sure. First of all, I'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Beth. I'm sales manager here, and this is my colleague Amy. Yes. Yeah, ONEN is founded at 2003. We have more than 17 years in this lighting business, and we have many products. But today the time is not enough for we just choose some of them and introduce to you. If you have interesting, you can contact us anytime. Yeah. Amy, would you like to introduce some items to our customers?
Yes. So today we just show a few items. So first, I want to. I feel this one is very small.
Yeah, really interesting.
Yes. So, please, can you introduce this item?
Yeah. This one, the cutout is 35. It's very small size light. You can see, and we use the brand driver. This is very good quality. It's usually for some decoration places and the atmosphere places. You can see this one. You can fix in the ceiling one by one to build a star development.
So how many watts for this one?
This one is 3 watts. And later we will open more models of this kind of small lights, because this one is suitable for many places. For example, this one can fix in the furniture.
How about the cutout size?
This is 35.
35, so very small.
Yeah.
I see. I feel it's very. Yes.
Yeah. This one is good finish. You see.
So if anyone. Is the older style LED downlight, but now we can match the MR16, and it's very easy to match the MR16, and also we can match our heatsink. So you can choose this.
You can choose. You can choose this model purchased from my factory. This is 10 watt, and also you can buy the MR16 source by yourself. You can only buy plan and complete together. This one have a different shape, round, square, plan, and deep pieces, and double, single, and third. We can make 4 colors. One is white, and black, and gold, and titanium, and silver. Five colors.
Yeah, that's the way that the inner ring. The inner ring we have a different color. And the outer ring we also can make black color. If you black color and black inner ring, so it's very beautiful. So it depends on what you request.
It have different options.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this one 8 watts. The cutout is 75. Is the most popular size in the market. See, this also can make different reflect color.
So just you see, we show the item in the ring black. So can you introduce why we make the black color here? So what's
because anti-glare. This one. Black color can be better than white or than silver. Can attractive the light, so it can be good efficiency of anti-glare.
So it's good for our eyes.
Yeah, health lighting. Now health lighting is very popular in the market. Everyone not only want the light on, but also want health light.
So now we because before the old style like this, like the SME downlight,
this is very popular item,
and still be downlight. You see the older item is not the antique light, but now we update the item, or it can anti-glare. Yeah.
This one is SMD size. This can output very beautiful light. This have different size from 8 watt to 40 watt. The middle also have a few sizes, but we will not display here. Just to show you the smallest one and the biggest one.
Yes.
This is very popular in the Middle Eastern. You can see this one. The heat sink is very thick, very thick.
So what is the material for this?
All of our products is our pro-weight model, and this is aluminum, die-casting aluminum.
So how many sizes for this series?
This have 8 watt, 12 watt, 18 watt, 24 watt, and 40 watt.
So this one is the big one.
Yes, the biggest one. This one biggest.
40 watts. So the Middle East custom really like introduce this series
because this bright enough.
And also this.
So beside SMD, we also have COB.
Yes.
We have 2 options. The heat sink is very similar. You see, it's very thick, very good quality. Maybe you can find some cheaper or economic products in the market, but you just need to compare the quality. You see, the heavy, only the heavy is different than others. And we also update the driver and the chips. We use very good material. This one, 3 years warranty. You can use even 5 years, 4 years, no problem. This is very popular in Middle East. We sell many products, many quantities of this one and this one. Yes. You can choose COB or SMD as what you like.
So this one, how many watts for this one?
This one 30 watt, and we have a 40 watt. 40 watt, 30 watt use the same size, but COB 40 watt is smaller. This 30 watt, the COB size is bigger.
And the cutout for the 2 items, the cutout is 200.
Yes, this is the most common size in the market. You don't need to worry. This is not unusual size. My factory have many lighting experience in the market. We will consider what you are thinking.
So for COB also have the different size.
From small to big.
Small to the big one.
This is for some wholesale products. We also focus on project in the 3 years ago. You know, in the very beginning, ONEN is only to abroad, overseas market. So we only sell wholesale products. But 3 years ago, we turn our market to some project items. So we have some project items. Amy, please introduce her.
Okay, so now I found this one. You say this one is in special. The payment is in special. So what's
one version?
So this is what was your light?
10 degree angle.
10 degree. So this is useful in the projector.
For some background. For example, this kind of background, we can use this one to fix it, to show the lighting.
And the driver, I see the driver is also brand.
Now we only use brand.
Our standard for the project item now is the E-Grace driver.
And the Bridgelax chips. We use very good quality material. And also the lighting output also very good.
So how about this one?
This one is chocolate.
So
this one, the special point is here. Here you can turn and only one light. You can turn from 10 degree to 16 degree only from this head. This one very convenient for project. You just fix this and you can change your background, but you no need to change the light because it can turn different angle, spin angle.
So if I put the picture on the wall, if any size we can change the light. If I change the picture, but it can also to change the different degree.
Background no need change because this one only the range is within 10 degree to 16 degree, no problem, use this one. You no need to change it today. Maybe you want 10 and tomorrow you want 30. No problem, you can use this one to turn around change it to what you want the degree. Okay.
So now I also I show you this one.
Yeah, this one now is very. It's the same series of this one.
Okay.
This is a surface.
Now I see this one now is very popular and very nice.
This one also use this MR16 model. The source is MR16 inside. This is the same series of these kinders. And this one have a single, double, third, and the first four sizes.
Also have 4 sizes.
Yeah.
So if anyone interested.
This one is the IP44. This is here. IP44 have COP and SMD 2 options and have 9 watt and 15 watt 2 sizes. This is 9 watt. This is 15 watt.
Yeah.
And you see this one. This one is very interesting system. Maybe you cannot see anything anyone else in other factory because this is the personal model of us. This one not magnetic. This is only peak power, right? This is AC 220 content here, and you can use this directly. This power is big. You can use it for some larger places. We have different designs, but not display all here. This is for project.
Yeah.
And this one version, we also have a chart and floodlight. Many different designs.
We have a big showroom for this service, like the bigger power and the linear light, the 220 wattage. But if next time any customer have time can visit our factory. Yes.
To see the different place use this lighting. Yes. My factory showroom has already fixed this light to display the lighting. So we welcome all customers come our factory to fill in.
Actually, we also have for the linear light. We also have the magnetic series. Like we have the simple box in here. So camera can to here.
Yeah. This is magnetic showcase. And this is model. The showcase. This is model. You see, the max watt can be 42, and we have small to big. This for project. Sorry, you cannot take it out, but you can see different. This one model can match all the different frames.
Okay. Yeah, you have several minutes left. So if you want to go through your product quickly, we can go with your camera.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Are you?
Oh, sorry.
So you can just go through your product very quickly.
Because our showroom is very big. Okay. We go through our products quickly.
Yes. Very quickly. Just go.
See this one here is the big system. The chocolate before I display here. This we use study system to consider. This is the meeting.
Oh, so you have your product in all the factory. So you have the showing room all around the factory, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
and
okay.
we also have a coffee shop and a hotel shop.
Oh,
This is our coffee shop. We use 10 to 0 to 10 member.
Okay, you even have a lamp in your factory,
is magnetic.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
So this is the lamp, and you you have different scenario for your products.
Yeah, this is a reception, hotel reception lighting show.
Okay, you have different scenario. Okay, I get the idea. So if any clients you are interested in ONEN, please contact with these two beautiful ladies and go around, visit the company, okay? Okay, thank you so much for your presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.